Hello everyone and welcome to the testnet demo for Nexus Network. Nexus Network brings secure yields for idle bridge assets. We bring non-custodial yield for ETH and stablecoins logged in the rollup bridge. And this testnet gives a view of how it works end to end. Nexus Network has used the Arbitrum Orbit stack to build this rollup, but our solution is stack agnostic and can be integrated by any rollup or EVM chain. This is a video demo to showcase the working of the Nexus Network testnet. To participate in the testnet, you need Holesky ETH. You can use any of the faucets linked in the video description to get Holesky ETH and try out our testnet. The testnet can be accessed at testnet.app.nexusnetwork.live. The first screen is Connect Wallet screen, and I'll be using my MetaMask wallet for this demo. This is the Nexus Network testnet interface. You can see your balance on Holesky here. For bridging, enter the amount of ETH you want to bridge to the Nexus testnet. Here I am bridging 1.2 ETH. Click the Move Funds button. If Holesky chain is not added to the wallet, this will give a pop-up to add a Holesky testnet. Then it asks me to switch the network to Holesky. Once network is switched, it gives a pop-up to confirm the bridge transaction. The transaction goes through and the bridging starts. You can check the status of the bridging transaction here in the pending transactions tab. It takes up to 10 minutes for users to bridge to Nexus testnet. Once the bridging is over, you can see the details in the settled transaction tab. You can see I bridged a 1.2 ETH to the Nexus Network testnet. This gives a good picture of how to bridge to Nexus Network easily in just a few clicks. My balance, you can see, increased to 14.2 ETH now. Next, I will show how to visualize the workings of the Nexus Network chain. And for that, we have this dashboard tab. Once you click this, you can see further details like the total number of ETH that has been bridged, total ETH that is staked. So right now we have put a limit of 80% of the total ETH will get staked and the rest will be available for withdrawals. So that's why 80% of the ETH has been used to generate new validators. And the total rewards in terms of ETH that we have earned till now is 0.15 ETH. Next, this also shows details of all the validators that have been created using the ETH that was deposited. So we have a total of 11 validators that have been created, and this dashboard gives you complete transparency as you can check out the performance of each of these validators. For example, you can just click on the first validator public key and it opens up the dashboard. You can see that the balance for the validator is slightly greater than 32 ETH. Its effectiveness is really nice, and also it's executing well, 97% uptime. You can see that the deposits for this validator were made 21 days ago. So you can check all the details for the validator as well as its performance using this Beaconcha dashboard that is available on a single click for each validator. Similarly, you can check out the performance of each of the nodes that we are running on SSV network. SSV network is our distributed validator technology provider that helps us distribute each validator across multiple nodes to improve the performance of the system. For example, if I check this operator, then it gives me the details, all the 11 validators that are running on this operator. You can also check the performance of this operator here for the past day, the past month, and you can see 99.47%. It's a really good performance metric for the operator itself.
These are the features available for the Nexus Network testnet. Users can easily bridge their ETH to the testnet and see their ETH earning returns. Our B2B customers can visualize the working of the system end to end and see the returns generated. They get full transparency on validator and operator level performance. This is all for the demo today. I love to get your feedbacks and thoughts. Share them in the comments and do follow our Twitter and join our Discord for updates.